Assalamu alaikum, what's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to have a tutorial on how we can use the stream builders in Flutter. Well, as you guys know that stream builder has the ability to rebuild itself once it gets a latest collection of snapshots. Well, in this example we will generate random numbers with the help of for loop. So let's get started. Okay, I'll be creating a function with a type stream and I'll be returning an integer. Generate random numbers. To make this function as a stream, you need async with static. Now this function has become a stream. Okay, so I'll be importing another package, dart math. Since I need to use the random numbers, I need to import this package. So I'll be creating an instance random equals random object, and I'll be creating a for loop integer I equals 0 till I need this I is less than 15, I plus plus. And in this for loop I want a delay of 1 second. For that I will use await future dot delayed with a duration of 1 second. And after the delay I want value to get updated. Integer, let's say y equals random dot next integer, and it requires a maximum value. So let's say I want a value of till 80, let's say. And one thing which would be new for some of you guys is plus I. So what it will do is, we have a for loop of integer I equals 0 to I is less than 14, means 0 till 14, 0 till 14th index. And what this statement actually does is random dot next integer, which takes maximum number, and we have applied 80. Plus I means that from 0 to 80 generate a random number, from 1 index to 80 generate random number, and so on. So it will work as 0th to 14 plus 80 means it will generate random number for 0th index to 14th index respectively. To emit the value we have to use yield y. So it's time to build a stream builder. So in the body of scaffold I will write stream builder, which will have initial data of 0, means when this stream gets loaded you have to show some value. So I've provided 0 here. And in the stream I will apply this generate random number. In the builder we have two parameters, context and the latest snapshot, so I'll be using S for it. And we have to check first if our snapshot has data. Return center and text, and in the text I will have a snapshot dot data dot toString with a style text style with a font size of, let's say, 24. If a snapshot has any kind of error, so we'll use has error for that, and we will return with a center child text snapshot dot has error dot toString. Otherwise we gonna return center child circular progress indicator. Yes, all the work has been done. Now it's time to run this application. Okay guys, so this is the output that we got. For every index, this is generating a random number. So this is how the stream works. Whenever it gets the latest stream, this stream builder gets updated. Okay guys, so this was the video. I hope you got the concept of how we can use the stream builder. So that's all from this video guys. I hope you like it, and if you did, please like this video, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And for more videos, hit that bell icon. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Take good care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.